Welcome to my MTV crib. Please come through. No. This is what you want to see. The SMT anti-coronavirus device. Please walk forward.
So can you explain to us how this device works?
So basically, there's a distance between the ultrasonic sensor and me of 50. So it will only sense if you're near the device. For example, as you can hear, there's a beeping device to indicate that the device is gonna start and to remind you that you need to use this device. Okay. So let's test try the timer and the sanitizer. So what you gotta do is, there are two ultrasonic sensors here. So if you put your hand here, it releases some liquid. At the same time, it starts the timer. So the timer stops down, and by the time it reaches 10 seconds, it'll tell me that I'm corona free. And last but not least, we have a mask box. So if you open it, you can grab your mask box and I wore it the wrong way. But it's okay, I'm gonna be corona free.